KROHNE, a pioneer in microwave process measuring technology, has been developing and producing radar and TDR level meters since the late 80s. Part of the KROHNE microwave family are the level meter series, OPTIWAVE and OPTIFLEX. Using various sensors and antennas, both series can be easily adapted to different requirements. The great number of materials available for the wetted parts also plays a considerable role here. These two-wire level meters can measure practically any level and interface of liquids, liquefied gases, and solids, even under extreme conditions. All of the settings can be easily adjusted using the external keypad. The installation assistant, also known as the wizard, makes the entire startup procedure straightforward. Starting up a level meter has never been easier. The display texts are not only available in almost every European language, but also in languages such as Chinese, Japanese, and Russian. Once they have been switched on, the level meters perform internal self-tests to check that everything is installed correctly and that the electrical connection is functioning properly. The devices then start communicating with the user. No prior knowledge is necessary. Dialog boxes with graphics prompt for the most important information about the process and carry out device parameterization. When necessary, help windows appear on the display to provide step-by-step explanations for all of the settings. Since they are state-of-the-art level meters, it goes without saying that OPTIWAVE and OPTIFLEX support packedware. Each device comes standard with a DTM, providing unlimited functionality. For special applications, the devices can also be fitted with a second current output in addition to the HART-compatible one. Of course, other digital communication interfaces are also available, including Profibus and Foundation Fieldbus. OPTIWAVE radar measurement devices provide non-contact measurement of level, volume, mass, and reflectivity in liquids, liquefied gases, and solids using the FMCW radar technology. The radar measuring system, first used by KROHNE and in 1989 in process tanks all around the world, can now be used with great versatility, featuring high measuring accuracy and repeatability, even in extremely harsh applications. With just one single converter for any application and tank size, OPTIWAVE radar meters are extremely flexible. Thanks to the high dynamic range and bandwidth, permanent and movable tank fixtures such as agitator, rods, and intakes have a negligible influence on measurement. Even in the presence of foam, or when product surfaces are very agitated, OPTIWAVE level meters provide exact data. Flush-mounted enclosed antennas are used for hygienic applications. The drop antenna is immune to adhesion and provides reliable data thanks to the intensely focused radar signal and the minimal installation size, even in tall and narrow solid silos. OPTIFLEX guided microwave level meters measure level and interfaces as well as volume and mass in applications for liquids and solids. This measuring principle, developed by KROHNE for level measurement technology and launched in 1995, is now an established technology. In high-pressure and high-temperature applications, OPTIFLEX devices are often used as an alternative to displacement systems. These devices measure level as well as interfaces. The extremely short microwave pulses enable interfaces to be traced from as little as 50 mm layer thickness of the top liquid. In direct mode, OPTIFLEX measuring devices measure the level of products with a minimum relative permittivity down to 1.4. The unique TBF mode, during which a reflection of the sensor end is traced, even enables products with a minimum relative permittivity of down to 1.1 to be measured. Excellent measuring accuracy and repeatability guarantees process reliability and leaves nothing to be desired. OPTIWAVE and OPTIFLEX, the microwave measuring device line by KROHNE. Established, flexible, and reliable.